So what's up? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JA News, your source for the latest and greatest here in the world of sneakers. So for today's show, we're talking upcoming releases. We got some first looks from Jordan brand, New Balance, plus more. And stay tuned, we got a special YEEZY Day unboxing, and hopefully these joints fit. So stay tuned for all of that, plus more, and it's coming right up next. So you can catch brand new episodes of JA News weekdays, Mondays through Fridays, right here. So be sure to subscribe, don't miss any updates. So to kick things off, we got a very first look at the latest colorway for the New Balance Warped Runner, a model that I've talked about a couple of times here on this channel. But basically, New Balance is introducing a brand new silhouette to the market. This design features a sleek but also futuristic look, but at the same time it also maintains that classic runner feel that we love from New Balance. So this latest colorway, it features a thick blue furry suede. You've also got some silver as well as black accents to finish off the look. And I gotta say, off the very first impression, I'm a fan of this model as well as a fan of this latest colorway. So it seems so far New Balance has released some pairs, via boutiques, online, overseas, and we can expect a US release to accompany coming up very soon. And we got a first look at the Jordan 1 High Celadon. Now, these early images come courtesy of Sneaker Knockers. This upcoming Jordan 1 release features a leather suede combination with orange as well as green color blocking. You see some nice little stitching details there on the swoosh, and apparently it looks like these joints have a aged looking tongue. So an interesting color scheme, and I gotta say, for like every great Jordan 1 colorway, Nike of course follows that up with like 10 trash ones, and I feel like this is one of the trash colorways. But according to Sneaker Knockers, it looks like this upcoming release is going to be limited to just 5,000 pairs. So even though this is a trash colorway, I wonder if the limited release right here will drive up demand, and this will be a hot upcoming release for Jordan brand fans. Let me know what you guys think down below. And Asics, they've revealed their latest lookbook featuring brand new colorways from some of the Japanese sportswear brands' most popular models. So we got brand new colorways for the Gel Cayano 14, the Gel 1130, the GT 2160, as well as the EX 89. And I gotta say, based off of these looks, Asics is definitely fully embracing this whole Y2K silver metallic aesthetic. So you got a lot of great options to choose from, and expect these pairs to be dropping within the next few months or so. So it's currently the calm before the storm as sneakerheads await the next big Yeezy release. There's still a lot of mystery surrounding these drops. So far, we know that retailers as well as foot sites have various dates scheduled to release Yeezys throughout the month. Adidas, they put out an official statement stating that Adidas Yeezy sales would resume coming up August 2nd, but I still feel like we're not sure if it's gonna be a big Yeezy Day style drop or if we're gonna get various releases throughout the month. In my opinion, I feel like we're gonna get a little combination of both, but as we wait to see how releases go down, I feel like it's kind of interesting that we haven't seen any raffles go live yet via the Adidas confirmed app. But in the meantime, while we're waiting on these Yeezy drops, we got a special early Yeezy Day unboxing to check out. So we're gonna be taking a look at a very interesting pair, I must say so myself. You guys take a look at the box. I feel like this is the first time we've seen the foam actually inside of a rectangular box this small. That's because we're gonna be checking out the Yeezy 450 slide. There's a lot of questions surrounding this release. I feel like a lot of people are interested to see sizing. Me, myself, I've been waiting to grab these and check them out since we've seen the leaks, which actually dropped like 2 or 3 years ago. So let's go ahead and check these joints out together, guys. This pair has been a long time in the making. So we got the Yeezy 450 slide, y'all. Let me know your first impressions down below. So yeah, this box right here is crazy. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all, but we got to get into sizing and first impressions because it's a brand new Yeezy model. I'm sure a lot of people have questions about sizing. I actually went with a smaller size for these joints because I heard they fit a little bit big, and I gotta say, off the very first impressions, comfort wise, it's still that great Yeezy comfort that we're all used to, but sizing is definitely crazy on these joints. So they feel good, they look good, but let's go ahead and get into this sizing update. So in terms of sizing, my standard size, I would say I'm a true to size 10.5. That's my normal size when I wear Nikes, Jordans, New Balances, or regular Adidas pairs. When it comes to Yeezy sizes though, I generally go with like a size 11 to an 11.5 depending on the model. As we know, Yeezys notoriously run small, but in the case of the Yeezy 450 Slide, this is the exception, as I feel like these joints right here actually run big, which is why I picked these up in a size 10. You guys see how they fit on my feet. I feel like it's the perfect fit. Now, if you plan to wear these without socks, be aware that they will run big. So I would suggest, if you're one of those people that your true to size falls in between a half size, I would actually recommend to round down to the nearest whole size. But because they don't run in half sizes and sizing can be slightly off, if you're one of those people that your true to size is a whole size, I would just stick with your true to size. Just be aware that this enclosure where you enter your feet is a little bit wider than the standard Yeezy Slide. So if you do get these a little big, you know, your foot may slip out of these. And as we compare these to the standard Yeezy Slide, I just want to let you guys know, this is the Onyx Slide, size 11 versus the size 10 450 Slide. I don't know if you guys could tell from here, but these joints are just about the same size. So be aware these joints run big, and you may even want to half size down or possibly go true to size with these joints. So in terms of comfort, as I mentioned earlier, once you throw these joints on feet, they feel great. I may even go as far as to say they feel a little more squishy than the standard Yeezy Slide. And I think that may be due to these grooves that you guys see here with the 450 sole. I think this model just may give you a little more elevated height than just the standard Yeezy Slide, which I think is a great thing. And as I mentioned, this cage enclosure where you enter your feet does feel a little more wide, so I think it gives you a little more room, you know, in the toe area. But as I warned you guys earlier, you know, if you get a size that's too big, you know, you may be in fear that your feet may slip out of these, making them a little less comfortable. So overall, you have a single EVA unit design. These were made in China. The production date reads 10/20. So can you believe that these joints were produced all the way back in 2020 and been just sitting in a warehouse collecting dust until now? So these are rumored to be releasing August 2nd. The rumored retail, $110. So a little steep of a price for a slide, but then based off the fact that I'm sure these joints will be reselling on the secondary market, I think it's not a bad price, and I feel like the Yeezy 450 is definitely worth the retail price point. So let me know, are you guys going for these joints coming up August 2nd? According to Yeezy designer Steven Smith, this was the fastest sample that was approved by Ye for final production. So let me know, are you guys feeling these joints or not? And I want to wish everybody that's looking to cop these good luck. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on the Yeezy 450 Slide dropping August 2nd for a rumored Yeezy Day 2023. So appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm JA. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys for the next episode of JA News. Love.